and on one unusual jaunt, we came upon an ancient Hindu temple, where it is said the most amazing psychic phenomena occurs.
Why can you just lift it with 11 fingers, not 12, not 13, not 6?
People have 12 will get it, it will not come up.
No, but it has to be exactly 11 people plus the stone.
Surely come
makes
up.
It 12.
Surely come up.
So there's a psychic phenomenon.
After some discussion, we finally got the idea of what happens. It seems that if 11 people place one finger each under a stone weighing about 90 pounds and repeat the word Kah, which means 11 in Kashmiri, the stone will rise quite easily. Some of the local men agreed to show us the phenomenon, and we watched in amazement. But when we tried with 10 or 12 or any other number but 11, it just didn't work. Remarkable indeed.
No, 11 only. Move back.